Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to assemble your back-to-back door pull. Before you begin, make sure you have all the parts from your package. Your kit includes post brackets, post crowns, an Allen key, grub screws, threaded screws, inner components, and acrylic tubes. Start by inserting a grub screw into one post using the Allen key, turning it until it reaches the inner end. Next, position the connecting piece on the opposite post where the grub screw will fit and gently secure it in place. Carefully slide the acrylic rod through the post, then tighten the grub screw to hold it firmly. Repeat the same process for the other end of the rod. Decide on the height and position of your door pull. Mark the hole positions on both sides of the door panel with a pencil, making sure they're properly aligned. Using a power drill, carefully drill through the marked points. Once the holes are ready, position the door pull in place. Insert the threaded screws from the opposite side of the door. Slide the inner components onto the threaded screws. Then, attach the second door pull and align the entire assembly. Finally, insert the grub screw and tighten it securely to fasten both posts. And that's it. Your back-to-back door pull is now fully assembled. With just a few easy steps, you've completed your setup.